So, nandito kami.
Guess what? Adventure!
Nandito kami sa Naging. Mali yung Google Map. Google, salbahe ka. And to Northern Blossom, pakiayos ko yung Google pin location niya.
Marami na rin palang nawawala dito.
Oo. Frequently happening siya. So, pakiayos. Google and Northern Blossom. But anyways, buti na mabait po si Mang Benny.
Then,
Shoutout na lang kay Mang Benny. Ayan.
tsaka maganda yung view.
Yes.
Hi, we're here finally. And it's cold.
And when you visit here, you get free coffee also, and free refill. And then there's this tinapay that's really yummy. It's crunchy on the top, pero soft and chewy. Sa
Nasaan nito?
Hi, good morning. We're here at Northern Blossom Flower Farm. I'm sorry for my camera because I'm using another phone. Kasi yung phone ko naka-time lapse. We're trying to capture sunrise. White flower, bango. It's like sampaguita. Could be perfect for perfume. It's a snapdragon flower.
It's so cold.
Yeah, it's 9 degrees. So we tried capturing sunrise, kaya lang maulap for today's video. As early as before 6 a.m, ang dami ng tao. At least there were about 6 vans that arrived this morning. What you're actually seeing is Mount Pulag behind us. The one covered by clouds, enveloped by clouds.
Andito na po ang mga cabbage.
Mga rose cabbage.
Rose cabbage.
The white one that you'll see there. Ano ba yun? Ayan, that's where we're staying at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. When you go here, please make sure that the pin location is along the Halsema Highway. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed our tour here at Northern Blossom Flower Farm, and see you in the next clip. Thanks very much for joining. This is Tion Thanks, where we talk OT and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. Bye!